Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How stunning is this weather here in California? It's absolutely just gorgeous. And today we're here in Topanga State Park and we'll be walking up to Eagle Rock. Super excited to see some lovely views and just enjoy this hike. So yeah, let's go. Whoop whoop. Just approaching Eagle Rock and the weather is just so good, so hot. I'm just here with this beautiful sun and it's actually been a nice gentle ascent up here to Eagle Rock. The road, as you can see, the footpath has actually been quite wide and gentle the whole way up, so it's definitely been a nice gentle hike. Really recommend. And yeah, this is it. Here we are approaching Eagle Rock. Can't wait. So yeah, off we go up to Eagle Rock. Here we are! Eagle Rock, just behind us. And yeah, just enjoying some good views, good weather. We'll have a little pit stop and then we'll be off. How pretty are these views? Guys, I'm so happy that we didn't come across any rattlesnakes. To be honest, I was really scared to come across rattlesnakes, but yeah, fingers crossed we're not gonna come across any. It's been great so far, no rattlesnakes, so yay. It's now 5:30. We are absolutely roasting under the sun. It's absolutely stunning up here, the views. And yeah, I feel great. I feel really, really good. Really enjoyed this lovely hike, and the nature and the animals, just so lovely. So we're now making our way back to Trippet Ranch, where we began our trek earlier this afternoon. And it's really just a nice, gentle footpath, quite a big footpath, big road down back to Trippet Ranch. So not too challenging, nice and comfortable. And yeah, just enjoying the views, enjoying the nature. I feel amazing.
I'm very happy.
Me too. Here we are back at Trippet Ranch, and at the entrance, one of the entrances of Topanga State Park. Definitely feeling my legs a little bit, feeling a bit tired, hungry. We're going to be driving back to LA now for some dinner, but had the best time. Had such a great time, really enjoyed the views. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.